Today, more than ever, it's very difficult to get things done on your own. You need to be able to collaborate and partner with people in a way that you get to the point of success that you want to get to. I'm Ken Schur, and I've spent 25 years at Johnson & Johnson, as well as the last 10 plus years running my own practice as an executive coach, career coach, and keynote speaker. And during my time, I've found that trust is the foundation of all great relationships, and great relationships are the key to success. And I believe so strongly in trust that I developed what I call the Trust Success Model. And trust is an acronym that stands for transparency, results, understanding, simplicity, and teams. And when it comes to partnering with people, it's that you that I'm talking about today, understanding. You need to understand where the people you're working with are coming from and where they want to go so that you can help them get there and they can help you achieve what you want to achieve as well. And I took this trust success model and I wrote a book entitled, What's Trust Got to Do with It? Transforming Leadership, Organizational Culture, and the Job Search. And I've broken the book down into 3 sections so that it's a very easy reference for you, regardless of where you are in your career, as a leader, or if you're trying to develop the culture, or the job search. And the Trust Success Model is broken down in each of those sections to help you advance your business or your career to be as successful as you possibly can. Because again, I believe that trust is the foundation of all great relationships, and great relationships are the key to success. And you could get my book this summer, August 2025, on Amazon. I hope you do purchase it, and I hope you get a lot out of it, and it helps you to be as successful as you can possibly be. Thank you, be well, and take care.